One of the complaints I always have with the videos is that now I gone lost it. Where is it? Amongst all these tubes. If you can still see it, then you're pretty cool. Alright. So, this is in the way! Okay, here. I'm not looking. Where's my head? Oh, that sucks. So here is the temperature, the coolant. Come on now, video. Okay, coolant. This is the coolant temp sensor. And you're gonna take, I'm gonna do this very carefully. You're gonna take this out, see that? I'm doing it carefully because I don't want it to shoot across and get lost, right? So I'm gonna, give me it. My gloves keeps getting stuck. Come on. Well, I thought I got it all the way out. You'd think that it would cooperate after just a little bit of nudging. But nah, why cooperate when it can be uncooperative? Kind of reminds me of, well, it is man-made, isn't it? So it kind of reminds me of a man. Just a little there it is. Okay, where are you? That's the sucker. Oh, it's like, I thought it was metal, but it's a little plastic clip. You don't want to reuse this, apparently, because it gets old and then it won't hold. Now, I have a thing underneath the car. I'm not entirely sure it's reaching all the way in there. Let me check that before I remove anything.